Hey, what's up, Dance Nation? Thank you for joining me again on Ambitious Movement TV. Now today we're going to be working on an old school party dance called the Running Man. Remember, when it comes to hip hop, if you don't know the groove, then you don't know the move. It's just the way it is. So I'm going to be showing you guys the steps and then the grooves. Now, if you want to learn more about grooving, feel free to check out our section called Grooving 101. The link is in the description box below. Now, with the Running Man, the step itself is fairly easy. There's two parts to it. There's the up and then the stride. Now, when you stride, you want to bend, make sure you're bending both your knees. You don't want to come flat and be like straight or like awkwardly straight or whatever it is. No. Both of them have a nice push in your knees. And then what happens is your back leg is going to come up. And then you're going to hop into a stride. Now, a few common mistakes are, especially if you're coming from other dance backgrounds, watch out what you do with your feet. Because in hip hop, we just relax our feet, right? So we don't really like point or flex our foot when we're doing this. Just chill, just relax. So again, you guys, when you go for it, you're going up, stride, up, stride, up, stride, up, stride. Like in the other dance tutorials, we used specific grooves. So you guys, while doing the Running Man, you want to use a chest groove. A chest groove works really well with this one. We're going to start inwards and lift our foot up. Okay, so we approach your body this way. We go up, stride, chest out. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Speeding this up a little bit, you're going in. Boom. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. If you want to add hands to that, you can go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're just opening up the arms, okay? So you're starting low. Okay, low, chin's down, and then you're striding. Stride, stride, up, stride. Now, if you notice, my head is going boom, 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 boom. My chest is going boom, 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 boom. For more detail on both of those grooves, the head and the chest groove, again, feel free to go check out Grooving 101. The link is below, and it will help you go over these exercises. So again, you're here, you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, you can also use the other chest groove where you accent the inwards on the step. So instead of going zoom, you're going to go zoom. Up, here. Do it out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Now, when we do that one, you probably notice that my head is going this way now. Right? Well, I'm going shoom, 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 shoom. Right? So now going over that, we're going again, one more time, chest out. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the Running Man. For the step, not too complicated, but once you get the basic step, remember, if you don't know the groove, you don't know the move. You really want to work on your groove, make sure you try the ones that I tried, but you can also use your own. But you want to make sure that you do have a groove in there. Thank you for joining me today on Ambitious Movement TV. I'm Ambitious Anthony, and remember, why settle for less? Be ambitious. Deuces! Reverse! Hey Dance Nation, when learning dance, it helps if you have the right music. So, the hip hop song of the day is This Is How We Do It by Montel Jordan. If you're a younger member, please search the clean version or the instrumental. If you'd like to have me come into your school or dance studio, you can email me at info@ambitiousmovement.com. Hopefully, this video is helpful. If you'd like to learn more dance moves, click here. If you'd like to learn more grooves, click here. If this is your first time on our channel, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell so that you don't miss out on our latest moves and grooves.